everybody, welcome to this week's Chesa Sneak Peek. We are outside of Crest Community Center and I am here with our therapeutic recreation specialist, Melody Beck. And Therapeutics has a dance coming up, the Under the Sea dance. Melody, tell us about it.
We do. We are having Under the Sea on Saturday the 24th from 6:30 to 8:30. We're going to have food and fun and dancing and games. Come dressed as your best beach outfit, whether you want to dress up as Ariel or just in your beach wear, or if you just come as yourself, we'll love you just the same.
Awesome. That sounds like a lot of fun. And things with therapeutic recreation will be changing a little bit starting in the fall. You'll be doing assessments for all participants regardless of the program that they are enrolling in, correct? Why are you guys doing that?
Well, we want to change it for the better. We want to get to know everybody who's going to be in our programs. We want you to be successful, and we want to know how to help you be successful when you're in our program. So we want to work on goals, we want to work on social skills or coping skills, whatever you want to improve on, we want to come alongside you and do that. And that's how the assessment is going to help us.
And this is for all ages, right? How do they go about getting this completed?
All ages. You call me in my office and we can set up an appointment and I can send you all the paperwork that you need.
How long do they have to get these assessments completed?
From August this month until August 2020.
Okay. And for participation in the Under the Sea dance, they do not need to have this done yet, right? This doesn't
Correct.
start until fall?
Correct.
Okay, great. Thank you, Melody.
Thank you.
Now, coming up this week in Chesapeake, we have Revolutionary Food Truck Wednesdays on Wednesday at Battlefield Park. This will be from 4:30 to 7:30 p.m. and will include your free kayaking out there. Nature Academy in Nature's Classroom will be at the Arboretum from 9 to 11 a.m. on Thursday. The theme will be Beneath the Surface, and this is $5 per child for ages 5 through 12. Rolling on the River will be at Elizabeth River Park Thursday evening from 5 p.m. to dusk. This is your second chance for food truck food this week. And of course, the Under the Sea Therapeutic Recreation Dance will be on Saturday here at Crest Community Center from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Tickets are $10 a person, and this is for ages 16 and older. And also on Saturday evening, we have the Starry Sky Night Hike. This will be with REI at Northwest River Park from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. It's free, but we do ask that you register in advance, and you can follow that up with Skywatch by the Back Bay Amateur Astronomers starting at dusk and ending at 11 p.m. in Northwest River Park's equestrian area. And of course, this week you have two opportunities for farmers markets. There is the farmers market at Chesapeake City Park's Marketplace Shelter. This will be on Wednesday and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. And there is the farmers marketplace, which will be outside of City Hall on Saturday from 8 to noon. And coming up, something we want you to mark your calendars for is the Dog Appreciation Day Downward Dog Yoga with Studio Bamboo Institute of Yoga. This will be on Monday, August 26th at City Park. It will be from 6 to 7 p.m. It's free. Please register in advance and be sure to bring your furry friend. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Thank you, Melody.
Thank you.
We'll see you next week.